Hi guys, Carl again. Today we're going to be putting an image rotator into this area here. It's going to have a couple of images. We're going to optimize them in Photoshop, show you the correct size, upload them and then place them into this page, which is using SP Page Builder as the page layout program. First of all, we're going to determine what size the width is. So if we right click using Chrome, and I think Firefox has it too, we can click Inspect, which tells us it's 916 pixels wide. Now different browsers will have different widths, or different websites will have a different width, so just check yours. This is roughly about 300 pixels, this area here. We want to have a third of the overall width, so we'll choose about 300 pixels. So I'm going to go into Photoshop, but you can use whatever tool that you have the ability to use. In here I've got a crop tool. I'll set that up as 300 by 400 pixels. From there, I'm just going to choose my crop tool, which is just found here. Oops. And go File, Save for Web and Devices. Save it as a JPEG with a quality of 60. And you can call the image relevant to what the picture is. Once we've done that, we click Save. We'll do that for one other image. File, Save for Web. As you can see, it's JPEG with a quality of 60, save, and call it 82. Okay, now that's done. What we need to do next is create the actual slider itself. So we'll go to Components and we'll go to widgetkit. From there, we'll create a new one. So we'll go here and click New. And we're going to create we'll create a slideshow, this one, which will have an image in the center that will just keep flicking across. You've got to give it a name, or just say custom up here, and go create. We'll give this a name, home rotator, and we can give it a title. You can put a title in there if you wish, you don't need to. From here we're just going to select the actual image itself, where it's got media. Go select. We'll add a new folder. We'll call it Home Images. Make sure there's no spaces in your folder names. And just click that once. And then we can click the upload button and upload both. Upload Lady 1. We'll select her and we'll go select. As you can see, it appears there. We'll go add a new item to select the second one. Click the select button. Go to our home images folder. On top of using the upload button, you can also drop files into this drop files here area. So I've got some files on my desktop here, so I'll just drag the second one on there like that. And click that once and click select. As you can see, now we've got two images. So we can choose settings here, which allows us to have the extra features and settings on how it actually works. So we've got a little navigation system that works under the bottom of the image itself. We've got an autoplay feature, otherwise you're just going to see the first one until you select through the next one. So generally I turn that one on. And we want to show the media, and we don't necessarily want to show the title or the content. So we'll click Save and Close once that's done. So as you can see there's one there called Home Rotator, which will now create a spot for it. So the next stage is to create a module to wrap that widget in. So we're going to go to Extensions and go Modules. We create New. We go down to the bottom where we can select widgetkit. And we'll call this home slider wrapper. And then we go select widget, find the widget in question, home rotator. We can click hide on show title and click save and close. And that's all we need to do for that part. And the last page is adding it to the actual page in question. So this one is the, I know this is called the home page. So in SP Page Builder, in this instance, because of the way this website's built, we'll go to SP Page Builder and Pages. We will open up the page called Home. And we've got some, that's our intro text, and there's the body text. So we've got our intro text up here and our body text here. So what we need to do is split this row into two parts. So we'll click this button here that says Add and Manage Columns. Now by default, you've got 12 units to work with, so you can divide that however you wish. So what we'll do here is we'll make it be 7 on the left hand side and 5 on the right hand side. And it splits it up for us. Now if we were to save that right now and view the page, you'll see that it split it for us. So now we've just got to put our image there, or our module. So from here we'll select the Add New Add-on button. And we're going to select Joomla module, which is the wrapper that we created a second ago. Once we've done that, we select the module itself, home slider wrapper, and click apply. As you can see there, it's a Joomla module called home slider wrapper. We'll click save, go back to the website and refresh. And there you are. It should automatically rotate because we've got that autoplay functionality on, which it does. And you've got your little buttons down here where you can actually go through. You've also got arrows there, which are more noticeable with the background as well. And there you go.